Hello everyone, hello YouTube world, and welcome to Sir Romsky channel, ang inyong maestro diri sa kahanginan. So this is the very first video that I created and uploaded in this channel, and first I want to invite all of you to please subscribe, like and subscribe this channel, and then don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will get notified when I upload new videos. So this will be the very first of a series of videos that I'm going to create and upload for you to learn Linux and Linux administration. So without further ado, let's start. But first, let us prepare our environment. I assume that you are running on Windows right now and you haven't used the Linux operating system yet. So you are running on Windows, and you might be wondering, how can I install, or where will I install Linux so that I can have hands-on experience with it. Okay, so you don't need any physical device to have a hands-on experience on Linux. All you need to do is to download a software, this software which we are going to download right now, and which is our very first topic for our series of tutorials. So you open up your favorite browser, in my case it's Firefox, then you go to virtualbox.org. Okay, so this is the name of the software that we're going to install. It's called VirtualBox. Okay, don't worry, because this is a free, totally free software that you can download and install in your Windows operating system. So you just go to downloads, then the latest version of VirtualBox that we can download is 6.1.34, and it supports many platforms. It has an installer for Windows, it has installer for Mac OS, OS X, it has installer for Linux, it has installer for Solaris. So since we are running on Windows, okay, so we will download this installer for Windows. It's only 104 megabytes, and let's wait for it to be fully downloaded. So in case you are wondering what this software will do, this will allow you to create virtual machines, not real machines, virtual machines inside your Windows operating system. And then from those virtual machines, you can install another operating system in it. You can install Windows, you can install Linux, you can install whatever operating system that you want to install, as long as it's supported by VirtualBox. So now we have completed our download. Let's run this. Now we are running the installer of VirtualBox. Let's click next. It's so easy to install. It will be installed here in Program Files, Oracle, VirtualBox. That's the default location. Just click next. I want all this to be created. Just click next. It has a warning that your network interface might go down temporarily. It's okay. Just click yes, and then install. Wait for another minute or two to install this program. So our aim here is to install VirtualBox into our Windows operating system so that we can install Linux in our VirtualBox. We can create a virtual machine where we can install Linux. So we don't need to have another PC or laptop to install Linux. We will just use our existing Windows system and play around with Linux. So start Oracle VM VirtualBox, click finish. We're done installing. So this is now our Oracle VM VirtualBox manager. Okay, so it says also here another installer. You have an extension pack. This extension pack will extend the features of our VirtualBox. So I also want to download this one. So okay, it's only 10 MB. So I will install this. Oh, it's already there. Anyway, let's reinstall it. And then click agree. And then it's installing now the extension pack. It was installed successfully. Click OK. So now we have the VirtualBox running in our Windows operating system. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to create a new virtual machine inside our VirtualBox, and that from that virtual machine we are going to install Linux into it. And I'm also going to show you in the next video where we can download Linux installer, and then that's what we're going to use for our virtual machine. Okay, so bye for now, and this is your first video. Just wait for the second video so that you will learn how to install Linux inside our VirtualBox. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you will get notified when I upload my next video. That's all for now. Have a good day.